How to enable or disable clip trimming in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where you do most of your timeline work. Look at the toolbar right above the timeline. Here you will find the trim edit mode button, which looks like a little arrow or trim icon. When this mode is enabled, you can trim clips by dragging their edges smoothly without switching tools. To enable clip trimming, just click this trim edit mode button and you will notice that your cursor changes to show you are in trimming mode. Next, if you want to disable clip trimming, simply click the selection tool or press A and your tool will switch back to the normal selection mode. This means you won't be able to trim clips by dragging edges anymore. Instead, you will move or select clips as usual. Another way to toggle clip trimming quickly is by using the keyboard shortcut T. Also remember that when trim edit mode is enabled, you get access to advanced trimming features like ripple, roll, slip, and slide trims, which are essential for fine-tuning your edits. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable clip trimming in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.